Witajcie kochani, jakże miło wrócić na łono naszej kosmicznej przygody w Mass Effectie 3, a to wszystko za sprawą nowego dodatku do tej gry pod tytułem Leviathan. Dodatek ten kosztuje 34 zł, ewentualnie 800 punktów BioWare. Mamy nadzieję, że będzie dobry i Mass Effect powróci w nasze łaski dzięki niemu. A czy Mass Effect i tak zajmuje bardzo szczególne miejsce w moim gamingowym serduszku, pomimo zakończenia, z których nie jestem do końca z nich zadowolony, przyznam szczerze, nawet z tych nowych z DLC. Tak więc tak, dostaliśmy wiadomość od admirała Hacketa, że Dr. Brinson na Cytadeli chce się z nami spotkać i lecimy tam zobaczyć, czegoż od nas ten pan oczekuje. O, możemy od razu pójść do laboratorium, bardzo chętnie. Zobaczymy, z trailera wynika, iż DLC zapowiada się nadwyraz ciekawie. Kroczenie mechem pod wodą? Zobaczymy. Myślę, że to nie ostatnie fabularne DLC, jakie dostaniemy do Mass Effecta, ale źle, że będą dobre, ciekawe. Dlaczego nie? Cena nie jest zbytnio wygórowana, tak więc...
Yes, sir.
Oh, Commander Shepard. We've been expecting you. Just a moment. And Hadley? Did you gather the Leviathan data for us? Apologies, Commander. The rest of my team is out investigating leads right now. I'm Dr. Garrett Bryson, and this is Task Force Aurora.
Aurora.
What's your assignment?
Our mandate is to investigate legends, rumors, old stories about the Reapers before anyone knew they existed.
That's an interesting goal. But is anyone doubting the Reapers exist these days?
The Alliance is still desperate for intelligence. Reaper motives, their operational tactics. Anything that can give us an edge.
And how did you wind up in charge?
When the rest of the galaxy says something doesn't exist, I take that as a chance to prove that it does.
So you're in it for the challenge?
For the truth. Even as late as 2148, humanity still thought aliens were a myth. That was within my lifetime. Once that myth was proven to be reality, our entire history changed.
Reapers were part of that reality too.
But even they have a history, Commander. If we can just uncover it, there may be a weakness we can exploit.
Could have used your help 3 years ago.
Yes. If people had paid more attention to your Prothean beacon, we might not be in this war. Now with new information we've uncovered,
Indeed,
a breakthrough's
kolego,
near.
indeed.
Hadley, do you have the data?
No!
What the fuck? Whoa.
This is Commander Shepard. I need C-Sec at my location, now!
You shouldn't be here. The darkness can't be breached.
Transit records show his name is Derek Hadley. He's worked here for a couple months.
Shepard, I monitored a C-Sec alert from this location. Were you harmed?
I'm fine. But I could use your help sorting this out, EDI. Take a look through their files. I need to know what this task force was up to.
At once.
What?
Nic nie pamiętasz?
What's happening?
Nie, jestem dobry.
I was gathering our data when you arrived, and then it was dark. Cold. Like I was someplace else.
Indoktrynacja.
And then?
I don't know! A gun was in my hand. Dr. Bryson, there was a loud...
Nie. A, bo dobra.
You shot Bryson. You
Będę
killed him.
wykorzystywał szansę, no
No,
co?
I couldn't have. I'm not a murderer. I didn't do it. It wasn't me. You have to believe that.
So someone else pulled that trigger?
But I would never do that.
Commander, this does resemble reports of indoctrination.
That's what I said.
Me?
What about that Leviathan Bryson mentioned? How does that tie in?
It's some kind of creature. Our field teams have been tracking it. That artifact came in from our researcher, Garneau. He sent an audio
what?
log if you wanna...
What's wrong?
Turn back.
What are you talking about?
The darkness cannot be breached.
Damn it. Get him over to the clinic. See if they can tell us what's wrong with him.
Yes, sir.
Commander, you'll want to see this. It's an outgoing message from Dr. Bryson to Admiral Hackett.
Dr. Bryson, you have an update? Admiral, the Leviathan of Dis that we've been investigating, I think we're really onto something. Give me the brief. About 20 years ago, the Batarians discovered a Reaper corpse that had died in battle. They covered it up and denied it ever existed. But I'm intrigued by the larger implication. What could have killed the Reaper in the first place? Exactly. That's the real Leviathan. It's worth pursuing. Continue your investigation and update me on the progress.
There is also a follow-up message from a few weeks later.
Admiral, the Reapers are shadowing my field teams as if they're hunting Leviathan themselves. Whatever it is, I believe Leviathan is nothing less than a Reaper killer. Almost an apex predator, and it has them nervous. If we could just find it, imagine the impact on the war. I'm formally requesting assistance in tracking it down. You'll have it. This is now your top priority, Doctor. Find that thing.
It appears we were meant to be that assistance.
Musi być groźny.
Anything capable of killing a Reaper could do a lot of collateral damage.
Yet given the state of this conflict, I believe the saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend,
Coś w
may
tym
be
jest.
relevant.
But we won't know unless we can find it.
Bryson's assistant did say they recently received a log from their field researcher. It may yield more information.
Okej, szykuje nam się tu zaiste grubsza
This
intryga.
must be the artifact the assistant mentioned. And here's the log.
Dr. Bryson, it's Garneau. I'm sending you an artifact I found. About the only thing I found there, in fact. Maybe it's nothing, but I'd swear Leviathan came through here. I'm gonna crunch some numbers. Burn up the rest of this project travel allowance. Maybe I can project our Reaper killer's movements. I'll check in when I get to the next site.
Okej.
Garneau appears to be our best lead to track Leviathan, but he does not state a destination.
Razem go
Let's
znajdziemy.
focus on what he does say then.
He mentioned extrapolating Leviathan's path.
And crunching numbers. He wasn't flying blind. He had data.
A significant amount of data, judging by this office.
So how do we narrow it down?
Bryson and his colleagues evidently used a galaxy map search program in their hunt for Leviathan. It may help us locate Garneau.
Probably. A więc tak jeszcze, a propos szczegółów i danych na nasz temat, to tutaj napierniczamy sobie szturmowcem, jako że zawsze grałem w Mass Effecta żołnierzem, to teraz postanowiłem najbardziej taką klasę... What the fuck? Fajne eksperymenty tu robili. Teraz zdecydowałem się na klasę bardziej taką, powiedzmy, skupioną na walce na krótki dystans. Czyli to, co lubię najbardziej de facto. A, intryga zapowiada się zacnie. Dobrze.
Does this
Rzućmy
tell us where
okiem.
Garneau went?
No, but we may be able to narrow down his location if we find clues he was using in his search for Leviathan.
Poszukajcie albo w laboratorium, bardzo chętnie. Noż to... To jest Mikołaj o 6 rano, szczególnie w poniedziałki. O! Mówiłem, że to Mikołaj o 6 rano?
These are all murders in which the accused lacked a known
Mary.
motive and claimed memory loss.
Just like Bryson's assistant. You think Garneau was following a trail of blackout crime? Here's the time and date chart for the crimes. Can you filter for murders where the killer claimed memory loss?
Adding the search filter, you may examine the results on the Galaxy Map program.
Dobra, ale najpierw się jeszcze rozejrzymy. Tak więc ogólne założenie jest takie, że nie będziemy pędzić na złamanie karku, będziemy sobie powoli, delikatnie, metodycznie eksplorować wszystko, aby niczego nie przeoczyć. Na tym właśnie polega Mass Effect i RPG ogólnie. Nie ma co lecieć. Nie jest Call of Duty. I Call of Duty można się rozkoszować pomału. Przy dobrym nastawieniu oczywiście. Który to ja mam poziom w ogóle? 29, a tak, bo przeimportowany. Przyciąganie sobie weźmiemy. Iri. Bardzo sprytnie. Cóż to jest?
So,
Fragment
Vanguard
suwerena.
of
O!
our destruction. How's that working out for you, big guy?
Shepard. Świnio.
Looks like data on the Rachni.
March 7th, 2186. I'm looking at the Rachni. Their movements during the Rachni Wars suggest alien influence. But the timing is wrong. And Rachni weren't implanted with Reaper tech. What if Leviathan was preparing the Rachni to fight the Reapers?
What do you think, Edie?
It is possible that Bryson's team is using ancient Rachni fleet activity to find Leviathan. We saw a data pad containing data on Rachni movements.
Dodatek może rzucić dość ciekawe światło na poprzednie wydarzenia.
Age 9.
This does not seem relevant at the moment.
Wszystko ma znaczenie, kobieto. Wszystko ma znaczenie. Torian. A, pamiętamy Toriana z jedynki. Skubana roślina. Lewiatan ma być podobny do Toriana. O, to nie wróży dobrze.
Bryson was tracking unexplained creature sightings.
Bryson was not merely tracking sightings. He was attempting to extrapolate a course.
And Garneau could have been following
Ekstrapolować kurs?
Edie, can you add a search filter for systems along that projected path?
Adding this search filter to the galaxy map.
No. Widzicie? Warto eksplorować, wszystko się przyda. Kamienie, roki.
Meteorite fragment, maybe?
He was studying it as an object of importance. We should look more closely at a sample.
Dobra.
Meteorite set.
Wow!
With
Ale
traces
bajer.
of element 0. Would Leviathan need ESO?
While it is
Piso.
not consumed as fuel during FTL travel, Element 0 will decay after several centuries of active use. If Leviathan is old enough, it would need to replenish its supplies.
Maybe.
Okay. Can you give me a search filter for locations with element 0?
Adding the search filter now.
No. Dobrze, a zobaczmy... Co mamy na górze? Tam jeszcze... Aha, to chyba przejście tam, gdzie byliśmy już. Czy coś tu jest istotnego?
Dr. Bryson, per your request, I'm clearing Task Force Aurora for intercepted Batarian communications regarding the Leviathan of Dis.
Commander, the Dreadnought is in custody, but the Solarians may have surveillance footage. Our ambassador will issue a full denial. Give me your preliminary analysis.
Z batarianami żeś się bratał.
By Anne Bryson. Age 9.
This does not seem relevant at the
Slender.
moment.
Dobra. Zobaczmy jeszcze, co mamy tam. Co to już jest? Co to już jest?
Loch Ness Monster?
Plesiosaur.
Loch Ness Monster is more interesting.
Interesting and non-existent.
O, już tam, ty wiesz. Dobra. Czy jeszcze coś tu jest potencjalnie potrzebnego?
Is this
Proteański
Protean?
artefakt.
Yes. I believe Dr. Bryson and Liara would have had much to
No, z
discuss.
pewnością.
Can you add a search filter for locations known to have Protean ruins or artifacts?
Proszę bardzo.
Adding it now.
Ech. No to od lewej.
Protean artifacts.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Pierwiastek
Zero
0.
deposits.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Opcje nam się wykruszają. Przestępstwo przy zanikach pamięci.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
No i last option.
Alien sightings.
No to musi być to.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Zaskoczeni? Ja trochę. Dobra, nie wiem, może czegoś tu jeszcze nie ten. Czegoś jeszcze nie zbadałem. Nie wiem, sam nie wiem. A!
Sir, this is Bryson. We know the Reapers are after Leviathan. Leviathan. Studying Reaper hunting patterns could be vital to finding it.
That data is classified top secret, Dr. Bryson. If it falls into the wrong hands...
It won't. The data's encrypted. I'll keep the decryption key safe. Close to my heart.
Close to his heart. What the hell does that mean?
Trzeba go rozciąć.
The Reaper fleet activity is encrypted, per Bryson's statement in the log.
He said he was keeping the decryption key close to his heart.
The Reaper fleet activity is encrypted, per Bryson's statement in the log.
Dobra, puszko z
He
tulery.
was keeping the decryption key close to his heart.
Close to his
The
heart.
Rachni data.
Can
Dobra,
you
to
add a
było.
cross-reference for
Wszystko było.
locations of sightings?
Doing so now.
A, teraz robisz. Świetnie. Już prawie. 30 level na 50.
By Anne Bryson. Age 9.
We had it
Indicates
already.
Anne is now 28. She works for the Alliance.
Oh.
Bryson was keeping the encryption key close to his heart. What's closer than family?
An interesting hypothesis. But I detect no trace of the decryption key in this... art.
Nie mówcie, że w kibelku nie znajdę ni... Nic interesującego. Kibelki zawsze skrywają tajemnice. No widocznie nie. Dobra. Jeszcze raz krótkie rendezvous. Jak tu pięknie. Może coś tu? Folia. Nie. Nie. Dobra. I give up. Ruch Rachni.
Activity.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Cholera, no taki wątek troszeczkę detektywistyczny, rzekłbym. L.A. Noir.
The Reaper fleet activity is encrypted, per Bryson's statement in the log.
He said he was keeping the decryption key close to his heart.
Shepard, zaczyna mnie to brać pomału. Pół godziny spędzimy na lataniu i... pierdołach.
Another piece of Anne
Anna.
Bryson's childhood art.
Już to wcześniej oglądałem, no skrypcik nie odpalił.
Well, take a look at that.
I can use these numbers to construct a decryption key.
Yeah,
All right, let's get back to the data pad we found earlier.
yeah. No, nareszcie mamy progress. Już myślałem, że tu zdechniemy z głodu. I deszyfrujemy.
Decryption complete. Analyzing data. These movements
Analyzing.
do not match the standard invasion pattern. The Reapers are searching for something.
And I'll bet Garneau used this intel. Can you make a search filter for it?
Of course.
No, że oczywiście, że możesz. Tak! Zawężamy miejsce poszukiwań. Jeszcze bardziej zawęzić nie da.
Reaper activity?
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Nie wiem... Nie wiem, czy jakiś komentarz jest potrzebny. Jeszcze raz do kibelka? Lubię se poczytać, co po na kiblu, nie? Prysznic. Dobra, Shepard. Jesteś świeży. Można napieprzać. Zaszyfrowałem dane, zesrałem... Co jeszcze mogę zrobić? Co jeszcze? Mogę wszystko powyłączać.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Mi się zdawało. Może tu coś leży? Nie. Jeszcze raz.
Reaper activity?
Reaper activity?
Based on the search results, Garneau is in one of these 5 systems.
What the fuck?
I have marked the Normandy map with possible locations. We can leave now, unless you wish to further narrow the search.
Chcę zawęzić, dawaj.
Prothean artifacts.
No results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant. 5 possible systems.
Alien sightings.
Ograniczone do 3. Rachni.
Arachni activity.
No
Nie.
results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Dobra, ale metodycznie do tego dojdziemy.
3 possibilities.
Żeruchy protean.
Prothean artifacts.
Teraz. Nie
No
nakłada się.
results. Some of our search parameters may be irrelevant.
Widać masywne zmiany w gameplayu.
3 possibilities.
Element Zero deposits.
Proszę
We
bardzo.
have a match, marking the galaxy map.
Good. Let's go find Garneau.
I mamy to, proszę państwa, mamy to. Parczyście, trzryście, zwróć na Normandię. Przedem się poruczniku Williams.
Commander, are you all right?
I thought you'd be more concerned.
Dobra, nie.
Whoever fate.
Good
Dobra
catch.
robota, tak.
Trainer.
Nie mam czasu na seks, mam dodatek. Przykro mi bardzo. Dobra. To są pierdoły wszystko. Lecimy na miejsce. Opuszczamy zapyziałą, zasraną orbitę, gdzie jest tylko cytadela. Szukaj doktora Garneau. Bardzo chętnie. No! At fucking last. Przeskanujemy se, co? Dobra, nie, bo nas zaraz zeżrą nas. Tak daleko! Starczy... tego. Wachy. Musi. Kaj to jest? Trzeba skanować.
I found something.
No widzisz.
We have located Garneau.
Kurwa. Stary druh. I robotyczna koleżanka. Ja bardzo lubię moje wyposażenie. Troszkę mi zmodyfikujemy broń, bo jest taka bidna. Nie będą tak latać jak te widoki. Garus, mój przyjacielu, byłeś mi naprawdę bliski. A, to ja byłem, dobra. Garus, mój przyjacielu, byłeś mi naprawdę bliski. Czy punkty do wydania? Szarża biotyczna jak najbardziej, krwi amunicji nie cierpię, używam tylko zapalającej. Sorry, Garus.
We're about 5 minutes out, Commander.
What
Nie mam
exactly is
5
on
minut.
this asteroid?
Mining facility. TGS Mineral Works. Small
Kopalnia.
operation. Could be a good place for Leviathan to hide.
We've all read Edie's notes on Bryson's lab. Any questions?
Is there a clearer idea of what this Leviathan...
Jaki niebrzydki ten Shepard
Not
nawet.
really. We only know it killed a Reaper.
But it is Garneau, Dr. Bryson's associate, that we are looking for.
Right. If we find Garneau, we find Leviathan.
Agreed.
The doctor was right. Anything powerful enough to kill a Reaper needs to be investigated. I just hope Garneau has the answers we need.
Same mądre rzeczy.
I'm reading Reaper enemy signatures in the asteroid field.
Nie.
Bryson
Yeah.
said we're shadowing his field teams. If they're after Leviathan too, Reapers are a good sign.
Od kiedyś nie wierzę, to jest dobry znak. Właśnie, zgadzam się z porucznikiem Cortezem. Shepard, czy do końca ci woli na mózg? Okej, kosmiczni przyjaciele, ale myślę, że na dzisiaj starczy już tego Elanua, mój drogi Watsonie, gdzieś naszukaliśmy się tych zasranych pierdół. Pół godziny na to poszło de facto. W przyszłym odcinku będzie pewnie coś dla miłośników bardziej ukręcania łbów niż ukręcania swojego łba, gdyż nie może się znaleźć kartki papieru. A tymczasem życzę dobrej nocy i pa pa!